lesson.
My name is Angelina Talavera.
And I'm within this office.
And we're from Plano ISD.
Here we have our pre-cut ingredients. We have our spinach, our strawberries, and our apples.
Dip the rice paper into the water bowl and place it flat on a flame. Start by placing your spinach slightly off-centered on the rice paper. Then you will place your apples on top of the spinach, followed by your strawberries. When you fold your rice paper, you will need to start by folding in the sides towards the middle. Then you roll like this. Repeat the same process for the second spring roll. And here we have... Now, let's move on to the dip.
Okay, so first we're going to add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. Let me add this to our blender.
Then you will add 1 teaspoon of your strawberry jam, along with an ounce of strawberries.
Some strawberries. And just blend it up.
Yeah.
Add a little water if it isn't blending well, if it's too thick, and then continue to. Once you get that cream texture, you're gonna know you're done.
Pour your dip into the bowl, and then add chia seeds on top.